In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Google AdWords with Wix. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna show you all the options that you have regarding ads on your Wix page and how to set it up alongside Google. So first, on the Wix dashboard itself, all that you have to do here is go over to Marketing. So using the menu at the left side of the screen, go to Marketing. On the marketing home, you will be able to find plenty of options related to Google. There used to be a Google Ads category here, but it seems like it was removed. You will be able to find, however, Google Business Profile and Google Analytics. You can also set up SEO, and this allows you to get found in Google's engine search results. But of course, if you are focusing on ads, then you will probably have to set up the business profile and analytics first. So do both of these, and as you can see, you do have to connect a domain. So if you haven't connected a domain already to Wix, like my case here, you will be able to input your domain here and get it connected and working with your Wix website. Once this is done, you can go back to the marketing page and you should be able to access the Google options. You can go to Analytics and Automations to set up the AdSense properly from here. Now, when you go over to the website editor, you will also be able to find options related to managing ads. So if you go over to the design site page, you can add elements using the button at the left side of the screen. And by clicking this plus sign, choosing to add an element, you will be able to set up ads around the screen. So go over to add elements. And now you can use the search function to look for anything related to ads. As you can see, they have the Google Ads and Google Shipping ad. If you open the Wix app market and you add it to your website here, you will be able to grant it permissions. And once this is done, you will be able to add it around your screen and make sure that you use Google Ads alongside your Wix page. You will be able to add it as an element around here as long as you have the app properly installed, and it is going to be usable with Wix. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Google AdWords with Wix. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.